your biggest rivals back then at the beginning would have been Inner City and Silverhawk were the two biggest ones.
Silverhawk, I tell the Gemini and Stone Love don't clash it. Yeah. I mean, Gemini requested the clash or requested a party with Gemini and Stone Love. But that clash or not clash, she just wants Gemini and Stone Love together in a one dance hall. But Weepo never take the offer. So Gemini said, okay, Weepo, when you're ready, make Gemini and Stone Love play when you're ready. Now, this never up until 1990.
1990 is right.
That's the first time Gemini played against Stone Love song.
And who was playing Stone Love that night there?
It was always Rory, man. Rory. It was always Rory. And I think Cancer was there. Yeah, Cancer was there too. Yeah, Weepo, Rory, and Cancer. You understand? This was a very interesting one because that dance took place on my birthday. Yeah, and it was a crowning of Glamour Wayne and Rory because by then they rise now, you know.
Yeah. And
I get to select the year awards and all these things, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, Father Bean's awards, man, and Glamour Wayne gets selected for the year 1988. You know what I mean? So every year, there's 3 selectors get awards every year. It's either Skyjuice get as a rubber dub selector, Skyjuice, Rory juggling selector, Glamour Wayne juggling selector. So every year we get awards as the 3 best selectors of the year. Okay. Sometimes Inner City get it with Mark and Daniel and Captain Richie.
So I guess by the time here, the 1990, it was almost like a compulsory.
Yes.
Gemini and Stone Love had to meet.
Them tend to know they're on top form. Them tend to would take prisoners now. Glamour Wayne thing is that like back in 1980, 82, 84, 86. No. Glamour Wayne they're on top shape now. So they must say, listen, the 2 biggest selector now in the juggling world is Rory and Glamour Wayne. Who want them 2 men to meet up. So Gemini and Weepo came together and planned the event and staged the event at Australia, 3 Cargill Avenue on the 3rd of February 1990. The crowning of Glamour Wayne and Rory. But watch this now. How can you keep a crowning of Glamour Wayne and Rory? And on the flyer, Glamour Wayne is like a boxer, like Marvin Daly. And Rory stood up in front of him like him a Joe Fraser.
Yeah.
So is a crowning war this?
Yes.
Yes. Rory Jenky Gino stays up, him face full up and then make up him face like him will knock me out. And then me do the same pose. And that was on the flyer.
Okay.
Anyway, 2 big songs string up in the house earlier. By 9 o'clock the dance ramp. So we were the 2 biggest sensations then. Remember, so Rory bust before Glamour Wayne?
Yes.
Rory got established when me just started playing Gemini Sound 86. Rory was established by then, you know, because that man put in a lot of work, you know. I salute people like Rory.
100%.
People like Weepo, people like Cancer. Yes, salute those people because them put in work. You know what I mean? They got established before Glamour Wayne, but when I was rising, I rise so fast that they must say, no, so we're not trouble now, this to come on. And I have personality, him have style, him have image, you know, him have presentation, him love music, him have play the music the right way. We are all in trouble.
Yeah.
And I took it in a humble way, you know, because I was humble. I was a humble person.
And how did Gemini actually prepare for that dance there?
Everybody had to prepare, you know, because Weepo personally told me, so when I gave Rory songs, I gave him tune till him tune confused. Because guess what? Weepo felt threatened because him we see Weepo is like a hunker to me, you know. Now Weepo grew up before I started playing Gemini Sound.
Okay.
Weepo knew me when I was playing Star Pines Disco. That's before Gemini came on the scene with Glamour Wayne. So now Weepo, and even Rory too. We were friends before me start playing Gemini Disco because me I play Star Pines Disco. And if Star Pines now play and Stone Love play, we're gonna Stone Love gonna dance. Yeah, I enjoy myself and cheer on Rory. Because we come like a Stone Love cheerleader, even though me have play a sound. We just love Stone Love juggling our sound that.
Yeah.
So I was a Stone Love fan. We was like our brother, Rory like our brother. You know what I mean? So we grew up together. But now you find a way now in a sound system. Now you have to go defend that sound system
for sure
against your brother. So it became very competitive. So anyway, Gemini Sound was well prepared because every day we go on a studio. Them time they know. They got a jamming studio of a vice Dubplate. They got a tubby studio of a vice Dubplate. And we got Arrows before Arrows of our studio. We went to Arrow's house in the kitchen.
Yeah.
when me voice Eddie Fitzgerald, the first Dubplate Eddie Fitzgerald was singing in life is in a horror studio in a kitchen. It wasn't on Windward Road yet. Mm-hmm. When Buju Banton and Terror Fabulous and Louis Colch and all those youth start to come around in a studio and sitting and Swagger Benz them. No, I was never no studio yet. I in kitchen we are go. Them time the guy them called Fata was a case the old boy was the engineer.
Yes.
Yes. You understand? Fata was the engineer. In the kitchen we sit down. Them time them base the wall with the egg boxes, egg and sponge. And I look at mixing board in there and I look at microphone and we are singing. You have Eddie Fitzgerald, you have Lady G, you have Pinchers, and we have Dubplate.
Yeah.
You understand? And then we want some Ninja Man now, proper grad jamming through then time the Stone Love had more shabba ranking and Admiral with the Dubplate than Gemini. You know, Gemini was more like a Ninja Man song.
Okay.
So, you know, I know Ninja Man had the Clash Dan Gaga.
100%.
Yes, you know, Stone Love had the Admiral Bailey, them, the Shabba Rankin, them, the Tiger, them, the Leroy Gibbons, them, you name them. Stone Love have them because, you know, the Junior Reed, them, Stone Love, you know, all them kind of sandwich, Stone Love have them, but what Stone Love did have back then was the juggling tune them, like the juggling Dubplate them.
Yeah.
Me try vice the Clash Dubplate them. Yeah, the Clash Dubplate them.
That was the game plan going in where, okay,
yes,
they have the juggling, we're going to come with the hardcore Clash.
Them have come with the juggling, which sometimes sound like Clash Dubplate, yes, but me have come with the hardcore Clash Dubplate them. Because me could have marked sound with Dubplate.
Yeah.
When you come out to Dubplate, Weeper was madman. We spend our last money. Weeper, we spend him last dollar to make sure that he's well prepared and well equipped.
Yeah.
Well, Gemini would say, Gemini was more complacent because I'm a very humble human being. You know?
Yeah.
He must say, Glamour Wayne have more fire, more talent than them. But if we spend a lot more money for Glamour Wayne kill them, you know? Because he have a whole talk in his mouth and he will utilize whatever he have. Whatever Glamour Wayne have, he can utilize it and do a good thing with it. You know? But at the end of the day, we don't know who's going to be the winner of that clash.
Yeah.
But most of the people say Stone Love. Why? Because Stone Love is one of the big songs there. Rory was the boss then, meaning the big selector then. Glamour Wayne was a shade below. Mm-hmm. But a two great talent I got clashed in the night, yeah. And my brother, tell us something. The clash started also, you know, man. And asked if Rory and Reaper not drop music, you know, brother. That's even you, as I remember the audience, I tremble like a leaf, you know. You nervous, you know, you are playing, you know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. So imagine the DJ them, you know. Yes, you have a look at nerves, you know, yes, sir, you know. Can't tune that drop.
Yeah.
But I realized Rory wasn't a clash DJ. He couldn't clash to save him life, but he have the material then. All you have to do was present them. But when me I present my name like a war, me a war with it.
Yeah.
Intelligent, it's, you know, smart, well-spoken and intelligent. Mm-hmm. When you present a song, you know, and when the song drop and it bust the pit dance in pieces, you know. Yeah, man. And then the Rory play songs like Stone Love. You have to fit, you know, fit it. You have to test, you have to fit and all them songs. Then I mean, I said, fit? I clash his name, and I'm going to play a Pincher's name. Enemies on the borderline. That time we never fit. Come clashing, me have to fit. A warrior, enemy, you know, on the borderline. And when that drop on the place, you know, rough up, you know. Yeah, man, them draw some of that sweet Dubplate, man. Some Johnny Osborne and Shabba Rankin, they might draw, man. Yeah, man, and no ice cream sound.
Yes.
Them dub that bad Dubplate. But when them don't drop a Shabba Rankin and Johnny Osborne, me a drop a Ninja, man, you know.
Yes.
They murder them, man. Tell them Gemini, you know. So, him more a juggle and me more a clash. Mm-hmm. And trust me, man. And I remember one time, Son of Jah burial. Rory's a genius to them, no after the, you know.
100%.
With Weep on them can, I told genius link up and it was normal, you know. Mm-hmm. And the man tried the burial and me, I said, God have mercy, I'm getting enough to answer this burial, you know. And I use a Peter touch, you know. Them tell you have to know music and have common sense too, because these things work, you know. Mm-hmm. Peter Trusher said, them one tie. We come at them. It's like I could do nothing wrong moving forward. I couldn't do nothing wrong.
This is the big house of Leo, and you're dealing with Stone Love like this inside the house of Leo.
Yes. I remember saying he's a more established son. He's a favorite. But as I said, he was more juggling and I was more clashing. And my crowd behind me and film crowd behind him until it's like politics, you know, and it's how now when the people them switch, you know. Then it's how now when the people them switch. And I remember Admiral Bailey told me, you know, Admiral Bailey himself said, Glamour Wayne, tell us something. I came to the dance to see you dead. They come advise some doctor if it's Stone Love and want to say, oh, bro, we are going to utilize them.
Yeah.
But when the man draw the Dubplate, the man go on and you answer him back and you talk and you play. You draw one Admiral Bailey, which wasn't a Dubplate. And it mash up every Admiral Bailey Dubplate. Now this Admiral Bailey was a 45. It name, you want to come in now make your money, and you got picking it. When that drop,
remember.
When that dropping up, Admiral Bailey said, no, I type me lead a dancer now, because you are gone. Admiral Bailey told me that. And from that, Admiral Bailey get close, and until this very day, is one of my best artists ever, Admiral Bailey.
Okay.
Yes, man. Let him get very close. I'm so Wayne, you did not have as much material and as much artillery as Stone Love, yet to utilize what you had, and you came out on top. And listen, man, I could go on and on. Gunshot fireplace, nice, clash, nice. When the clash done, Reaper and Gemini, them shake and Rory shake and then they presented 2 big trophies. I'm the first DJ to receive a Stone Love trophy, and that was 1990. And Rory is the first DJ to receive a Gemini trophy the same night.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what I mean? So right about now, it's like Rory and Gamma went up on the same level now as 2 Selector. Now we are the big thing now, the 2 sound, the 2 big sound now where everybody wants to meet up in our party. So all of the big dancing we keep after that now was Gemini, Stone Love, and Metro Leader.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.